Hi guys, my name is Sophia. How are you? In this video, I want to tell you my honest opinion of the Genius Wave and also tell you how not to lose money with this product. Well, folks, the Genius Wave is a super simple 7-minute audio that basically turbocharges your brain. NASA even did a study on it, revealing this remarkable brainwave that is like rocket fuel for your cognitive abilities. According to Dr. James Rivers, a Briton, more than 20,000 Americans, including his own family, have tested these powerful waves in a simple 7-minute daily ritual. Forget the idea of looking for brain power in a pill. It's already inside your brain, the size of a cashew. Thanks to this NASA study, genius children have access to this special part of the brain that less than 2% of adults still possess. Genius waves are like brain magic, essential for problem solving, sharp thinking, and even a pinch of luck. The problem is that, in adults, these waves are often hidden, but that's where Genius Wave comes in. This revolutionary device works by awakening the special part of your brain that holds the secret to supercharged cognitive abilities. Imagine solving problems like a breeze, enjoying crystal clear thinking, and feeling that luck is on your side. This is the power of a harmonious brain in action with Genius Wave, the first sound wave designed to stimulate your brain. All you need is 7 minutes a day. Just relax at home, turn on the digital audio track on your phone or computer, and let the magic happen. It's super easy, and friends, people rave about how this super simple 7 minutes a day audio has helped change their lives. There are people who have found the love of their lives, their dream job, and managed to live their dreams. Well, I used it myself, and in less than a month using it correctly, I got great results beyond expectations. That's why I highly recommend it. I bought it, and on the same day I put it into practice, and I recommend you do the same. Already sign up. The Genius Wave has been tested and approved by many people. Many users put on their headset and feel the difference instantly. Many people swear that they noticed a difference in just 3 days. You can check out the comments on the official website to see for yourself. So, if you're ready to unlock your brain's full potential and totally improve your life, visit the official website via the link I've left below, and be careful not to lose your money on fake sites. Only buy it from the official website in the video description, where it's backed up and guaranteed for use. Here's to a smarter, happier, and luckier you. See you later.